This is the code implementation using multiplication and division. Here we have assigned two variables which are x equals to 10 and y equals to 30. First we will be printing x and y before swap. And this is the main logic, or we can say algorithm, to swap the values. If we see, first we will be updating x by using x into y. So x is 10 into y is 30. So you'll get 300. Next, you'll be updating y. So for y, we are doing x divided by y. So x is 300 divided by y, which is 30. So you'll get 10. Next, we'll update x. So for that, we are again doing x divided by y. So x is 300 divided by y, which is 10. So you'll get 30. And we'll be printing x and y after swap. So let me quickly run this script. Here you can see before swap 10 30, after swap 30 10. And here you can see the value after swap, it is in float format because we have used division operator here. So in case you want that into integer format, you can simply use int function, which is this int of x then int of y. So let me just comment out this quickly and again run the script. See, you can get 30 and 10 into integer format. And that's a wrap for today's session. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights like this.